Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll be discussing solutions to problems in the second paper of the 2013 JEE Physics Advanced Question Paper. I'll be working with code 0, but in any other codes the question will be the same, just the order will be shuffled, so you can figure that out for yourself. Let's move on to problem 19. It should be right angle. This is an incident ray E. It goes straight here, and then here is the normal, and after that it can go like this, or straight through like this, or it can go like this, or it can go like this. If this is 45, this is 45, this is 45, this is 45, all are 45. And after this, the first one they're making it go like this, and the second one is going straight out, and the third one is going like this. So let's just look at what we can do for all of this first. This is E, this is I, this is F, G, H. So first of all, what is true for G? For G, or for E to G, mu1 has to be equal to mu2. There is no change here, right? You obviously have an incidence angle of 45 degrees and you have a reflected angle of 45 degrees as well, right? So you have no change. So for G, mu1 has to be equal to mu2. So Q goes to 3, right? After that, let's look at the others. What happens in I? In I, you need to have total internal reflection, which means mu1 times sine 45 has to be greater than mu2, right? Because then mu2 sine theta will never be able to achieve this. It has to be greater than mu2, in which case mu1 has to be greater than root 2 mu2. If this is the case, mu1 sine 45 will never be mu2 sine theta for any theta, right? So mu1 greater than root 2 mu2, which is 1. So S goes to 1. From that you can directly see that option D is correct, but we'll do the other ones also, obviously. So now we need to differentiate between F and H, right? Between F and H. So in both of them, mu3 is less than mu2, right? Both for F and H, mu3 is less than mu2, because this is going away from normal, but that doesn't help us anyway, because options 2 and 4, which are the options left, have mu3 less than mu2. So that is established. Mu3 should be less than mu2. Then now we need to look at between mu1 and mu2, right? So this is 45 degrees. This angle alpha is less than 45 degrees, as this total angle beta is greater than 45 degrees. So obviously mu1 sine 45, mu1 by root 2 is equal to mu2 sine alpha or whatever beta you want to have, right? Now sine alpha is less than 1 by root 2. If sine alpha is less than 1 by root 2, mu2 has to be greater than mu1. And if sine alpha is greater than 1 by root 2, then mu2 has to be less than mu1, right? So this is sine alpha less than 1 by root 2, which means F. So F has mu2 greater than mu1, which means option 2. So P has option 2, which means R should have option 4. So R does have mu2 less than mu1, but it also has mu1 less than root 2 mu2. Now what is that about? Well, if mu1 is greater than root 2 mu2, then we would have total internal reflection and it would become I, right? So mu1 has to be greater than mu2, but it has to be less than root 2 mu2, otherwise there would be total internal reflection, which you don't want. So this gives us, again, we already got D from Q and S, which were the easy ones, but all of those seem consistent and the final answer is D. Thank you.